get started, I must let you know that this is for educational purposes only. I'm neither a registered broker nor an investment advisor. Here's the disclaimer. I'll be right back. Hello. This is Norecia. I just wanted to take this opportunity to show you how to open an options trade and using the Thinkorswim platform from your iPads. Okay, so I'm going to use Bank of America as an example, and I like to go out. So I'm going to go out. I'll buy a call at the money, buy at the ask. Let's okay, I'll do the limit 5 orders. I can adjust what I want it to be. Press paper trade. Click on paper trade again. Of course, I'm using a paper trade. And there's no working orders. So what I can do now is go to positions, and there it is. Comes up in our positions, okay? That's it. I'll show you how to set a stop loss next.